Today, we're going to tell you about some exciting changes available with the latest software update for your Garmin smartwatch. This video covers all the new features available on select Garmin watches. You can view a complete list of the supported products for this release in the description. You will automatically receive the update if your watch is paired to the Garmin Connect smartphone application or if you have enabled Wi-Fi sync. First, let's talk about an exciting new feature now available for all users in the Garmin Connect smartphone application: lifestyle logging. With the lifestyle logging feature, you can easily log and keep track of your daily behaviors and lifestyle choices, such as drinking caffeine, stretching, eating healthy, and much more. The Garmin Connect smartphone application will provide insights into how the behavior impacts your health metrics. This includes your sleep score, overnight HRV, and overnight stress. Lifestyle logging can be set up and logged in the Garmin Connect app. Start by selecting More, followed by Health Stats. Select Lifestyle Logging. Then, set up your user preferences and health behaviors. Next, let's discuss another exciting new feature now available with compatible Garmin smartwatches when paired to the Garmin Connect smartphone application: Health Status. The Health Status feature offers a glimpse into your overall health and wellness. It measures your typical ranges for several key health metrics and lets you know if your current status is within or out of range. These key metrics include heart rate, HRV, respiration, skin temperature, and pulse ox. As you wear your compatible Garmin smartwatch while sleeping, it will measure 5 key health metrics over a 3 to 4 week period to assess your sleep averages. It will provide insight into outliers from your normal metrics. These changes could be related to physical activity levels, environment, stress, alcohol intake, potential illness, and more. You can view the help screens on the specific health metrics in the Garmin Connect app or on the Garmin Connect website for more information. To open Health Status, select More, followed by Health Stats. Select Health Status. Additionally, select Garmin smartwatches now include a Health Status glance to view insights to key metrics right on your wrist. Finally, we are going to cover the new enhanced notification control. Your compatible Garmin smartwatch now allows you to easily make changes to the smartphone notifications displayed on your watch. To make changes to your notifications, from your smartwatch, open your watch's settings. Then select Notifications and Alerts. Select Smart Notifications. Finally, select Apps. Under Connected Apps, select the app you would like to configure. Here you can update the notification settings. Thanks for taking the time to learn about the latest software for your Garmin smartwatch. To learn more about your product, please subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit us at support.garmin.com.